Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 12, subject Political Science, topic World Trade Organization. WTO. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization was established on 1st January 1995. The World Trade Organization. This organization came to be, or it was established on 1st of January 1995. World Trade. Before 1995, the World Trade Organization was known as GATT, General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs, which was established during Bretton Woods Conference on July 1944. यानी GATT जो है GATT बना था 1945 में, July 19 during Bretton Woods Conference, and GATT was renewed, or it was converted, or it was changed into World Trade Organization. GATT का नाम फिर बदला गया और GATT का नाम जो है इसको चेंज किया गया, इसी को बनाया गया है World Trade Organization 1st January 1995 में. 152 members are established with this organization. In 152 countries, in more than 152 countries are the members of this organization, World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization, it is headquartered lies in Switzerland, Geneva. World Trade Organization जो है इसका headquarter जो है it lies in Geneva, Switzerland. Now this World Trade Organization, it is an global, GLOBAL, global economic, ECONOMIC, economic institution. We can call global economic institution. World Trade Organization को हम बोल सकते हैं global economic institution because it deals with the trade, it deals with the capital, it deals with the import, export, it deals with the trade agreements. That's why we know it global economic institution. I repeat again, WTO stands for World Trade Organization. This organization was established on 1st January 1995. Before this, it was known as GATT, General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs, which was established during Bretton Woods Conference on July 1944. This GATT, it was renamed, or it was changed, or it was converted into World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization 152, more than 152 countries are its members. Its headquarters lies in Switzerland, Geneva. Now, what are the main functions? What are the main functions of this World Trade Organization? World Trade Organization is a global economic institution. It is affiliated with the Euro. It has affiliation with the Euro. Its main functions are. इसके अहम काम जो है, first of all, it settles trade agreements among the member states at global level. यानी जितने भी है मुमालिक दुनिया में, जैसे हम बोलते हैं global, GLOBAL, global north, NORTH, north. Global north means कि developed world, and global south means underdeveloped world, means developing, developing world. Global north means developed world, means rich countries, capitalist countries, advanced countries. Global south means developing countries, poor countries, least developed countries, third world countries, or underdeveloped. This World Trade Organization, it is the institution which settles trade agreements, trade relations among these two worlds, that's global north and global south. यानी इनके दरमियान जो आपस में कारोबार होता है, जो बिजनेस होता है, इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट होता है, यानी एक जगह के माल जो है दूसरे मुल्क में जाता है, दूसरे मुल्क का जब माल जो है तीसरे मुल्क में जाता है या ग्लोबल मार्केट तक पहुंचता है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल it settle trade agreements. It settle trade agreements among the member states at global level. Second point, trade negotiation. यानी एक मुल्क दूसरे मुल्क के साथ कारोबार करना होता है, और ये जो है इन पर टैक्स होते हैं, टैक्सेस होते हैं. आपस में ये टैक्स जो है आपस में ग्लोबल दिस वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है ये इनको आपस में सलाह कराती है कि आप जो है अपने टैक्स जो है कम कीजिए और आप आपस में जो है इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट कीजिए, कारोबार कीजिए। अनदर फंक्शन इज it settles all the trade disputes which arise among these states, yeah, among the member states at the global level. This World Trade Organization, it is the organization which settles trade disputes. It is the organization which set up trade agreements. It is the organization which set up trade negotiations. It is the organization which set up trade disputes among the member states. Another function is this World Trade Organization. It monitors national trade policies. यानी जितने भी मुल्कों में जो ट्रेड रिलेटेड पॉलिसीज होते हैं या इश्यूज होते हैं या कमीशनर्स होते हैं, it this World Trade Organization it monitor, it keep eye on these policies. Now it checks these policies, check and balance. Number second, this World Trade Organization it works for the technical assistance and training for developing countries. जो थर्ड वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज है या लीस्ट डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज है या अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज है, गरीब ममालिक जो है दुनिया में इनकी तादाद ज्यादा है, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इट इज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन which works for the technical assistance and training for these developing countries or these third world countries. And after all, this World Trade Organization it works for the cooperation. It works for the cooperation among these member states. Now you can remember. अब आप याद रखोगे कि World Trade Organization जो है, it stands for WTO stands for World Trade Organization. It was established on 1st January 1995. It has 102, 152, 100 more than 152 member states. It is headquartered lies in स्विट्जरलैंड जिनेवा में जो है जिनेवा जो है स्विट्जरलैंड का जो है कैपिटल है, वहीं पर इसका हेडक्वार्टर जो है ऑफिस है कमीशन है। तो दिस वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ओल्ड इट इज ओल्ड नेम और दिस एंशिएंट नेम इज गेट वाज रिन्यूड और इट वाज चेंज्ड और इट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑन 1st January 1995. तो मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर इट settles the trade agreements among the member states. It settles the trade negotiations among the member states. It settles trade disputes among the member states. It keeps eye or it monitors or it checks the national trade policies across the globe. It works for the technical assistance and training for the developing countries. After all, it works for the cooperation among the member states at the global level in terms of trade, import, export and other trade related policies. That's all.